Hello viewers, hope you all are fine. In this video, you are going to learn how to insert date and time in MS Word. So to insert date and time, go in Insert tab and then here you can see date and time. Drop down, click on this and from here you can select different formats of date and time. Say I am selecting this, in which date and time both are available, and you can see this is written. There are also short keys to enter date and time. Short key to enter date is Alt, Shift and D. And short key to enter time is Alt, Shift, T. So this is how you can insert date and time in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.